Hey guys, and welcome to the next tutorial for ethical hacking. And in this tutorial we will be talking about web data extractor and other useful stuff. So web data extractor is actually used to gather or extract our target company's contact details or data such as emails, fax, phone numbers through web and other B2B communications. So over here, the thing over here that we would be creating a virtual reality over here, that attackers actually continuously look for the easiest method to collect information. There are many tools available with which attackers can get a company's database information, but once they have access to database, they can gather employees' email addresses, phone numbers, company's internal URLs, etc. And with these information gathered, they can send in types of spam emails to the employees to fill their mailboxes. By doing this, they can actually hack into the company's website, modify their internal URLs, the intranet, and they may even install, let's say, malicious viruses to destroy the database, or actually go ahead and actually speaking, only dumb hackers go ahead and destroy the data that they find inside the company's server. Smart hackers, they don't destroy data. They gather this information and they keep it with them unless they actually need to exploit them so that they can use the company for their own malicious purposes. So as an expert penetration tester, we both should be able to actually think from the attacker's point of view and try to gather all the possible ways to gather information on the organization. You should be able to collect all the confidential information of an organization and implement security features to prevent company data leakage. And in this tutorial, you will learn to use the web data extractor to extract a company's data. So we will be trying to gather extract the meta tag, the email, the phone number from the web pages, and a lot of other things. So web data extraction is a type of information retrieval that can extract automatically, let's say, semi-structured or unstructured web data sources in a structured manner. So you could actually have to download the web data extractor. So we'll just go over here and web data extractor, and I'll just go over here and download it. It's actually a paid version, as you can see over here. So we will be downloading the trial version as of now and see what all we could do with that. Okay, so I think let's try that. Once you go ahead and download, you will get a simple shortcut file on your main start menu, and you can go ahead and I'll do a lot of things over there. You can also even go ahead and scan different ranges. Okay, I'll just perfect. Okay, you can also go ahead and scan different ranges from, let's say, page text filter, domain filter, using which you can extract only the links or data that you actually need from the web pages, not all the unnecessary stuff as well. So instead of extracting all the links present there, you can even download specific links provided you know how to go ahead and use this web data extractor tool. So if you're good enough, you can straight away go ahead and download this pro version from the torrent as well. But that's actually not legal, and after all, you're a hacker, you need to do what you need to do, right? So just go ahead and let's get this downloaded first. As you can see, there are a lot of other good tools over here. Being a hacker is not only about actually using these tools to the utmost level. It's about how you actually go ahead and use these tools, and how you can actually go ahead and or how you can actually go ahead and perform your hacking even without a lot of other tools. It's not only about writing code or using this tool to their 100%. It's about doing a lot of other things. If you're not good at social engineering, you'll probably be at loss over here. If you're not good in writing, you'll probably never be able to use your own set of viruses or Trojan horses, and you'll probably be end up like using any other person's Trojan horse without even knowing what piece of code they're actually using. So you actually need to be an all-rounder when you're actually trying to be a hacker. So I'll just pause and resume so that it gets downloaded fast. Okay, the folder is already open, I believe. Okay, yes. Let's go ahead and install this shortcut on the desktop and install. So this is the trial version which I am showing you over here, and you can also go ahead and purchase it. Let's see what the purchase price is exactly by the time it gets downloaded. Okay, it's $200 US, and okay, so it's actually finished. So I'll just go ahead and open the web data extractor. Let's go ahead and gather information from this website itself. Okay, so we'll just go over here, click on a new session over here. So it will ask you to go ahead and insert the name. So I'll type in the URL over here as, and this would be the session name. So I'll just go ahead and enter the basic details over here. So you can also go ahead and click over here as to what you need to actually go ahead and gather information about. So I'll actually go ahead and select all of these things, whatever information I get over here, and I'll just click on start. So you probably won't get all of the information that you want over here because since this is a trial version, but you actually get a lot of good information. And let's see what things we get. You could see the speed at the top hand side over here. Session is finished, and I'll just go ahead and save this, the tag.txt. Okay, and probably I'll just go ahead and copy this, go to my browser, and okay, it's not yet saved. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and as you can see, there's a lot of information that you could gather from this specific website. Once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and get the extract information by clicking on that specific tab. Okay, I think it's actually not, let me check. Just click over here, email, and as you can see, the phone numbers for all of these things, the email IDs from their company, that's like abc@xyz.com. so probably I think that web extractor company is quite let's say they're quite awesome enough because they know how to go ahead and keep their email addresses, because they know that most of them are actually not real over here. As you can see, this abc@xyz.com, that's not real. admin@abc.com, even that is not real. And even this one, that cityofnice@france.fr. So in this way, actually company can go ahead and hide a lot of their email addresses by making them almost similar, or make sure that they merge with the other things. So these are the phone numbers, these are the fax numbers, these are the meta tags. So these are the links for multiple stuff, and this is the domain, this is the actual domain where it is located and stuff. So as you can see, you can, if you want WD to stay within the first page, you can just go ahead and click on the process first page only, and when you click on that, it will only gather the information from the first page itself, not the whole stuff.